In the silent darkness of space, something extraordinary has happened. Out in the vast, endless void, where silence reigns and time seems to stand still, a new signal has emerged, one that has captured the attention of astronomers across the globe. Deep in the Milky Way, our galaxy's central black hole has awakened. Sagittarius A*, the mysterious heart of our galaxy, has stirred from its slumber, sending ripples through the fabric of space. For ages it was silent, until now. The core of our galaxy, once thought to be a quiet giant, has suddenly become the center of cosmic attention. NASA's most powerful telescopes caught a sudden blinding flare from the galactic center. The night sky lit up with energy, as if the universe itself was trying to send us a message. This wasn't just a blip, it was a cosmic message that defies our understanding of physics. The intensity and suddenness of the flare left scientists both awestruck and puzzled. The black hole at our galaxy's core, once thought dormant, has just sent out a spectacular burst of energy. This eruption challenges everything we thought we knew about black holes and their behavior. This event has shaken the astronomical community and opened a new chapter in our cosmic story. Researchers are now racing to interpret the data and understand what triggered this awakening. Multiple observatories from Chandra to Swift witnessed a flare of X-rays hundreds of times brighter than ever recorded. The sheer scale of the event has forced scientists to rethink their theories. For scientists, this is a fundamental puzzle, one that demands a new way of thinking. It's a mystery that could reshape our understanding of the universe itself. This isn't just for astronomers, it's for anyone who's ever looked up at the night sky in wonder. The cosmos has spoken, and its message is for all of us, inviting us to explore and question. The universe just revealed a new piece of its puzzle, right in our galactic backyard. We are witnessing history unfold as the secrets of the cosmos slowly come to light. We're on the verge of understanding something profound, all because a sleeping giant briefly opened its eyes. The next chapter in our journey to understand the universe has just begun. Meet Sagittarius A, our galaxy's supermassive black hole. It sits at the Milky Way's center, 27,000 light-years away, anchoring everything with its gravity. With a mass over 4 million times that of our Sun, it's usually quiet. Unlike the raging black holes in distant galaxies. This tranquility has allowed life on Earth to flourish. Studying Sagittarius A** lets us test Einstein's theories and refine our models of the universe. But when this gentle giant suddenly erupts, it shatters our assumptions. The recent flare proves there are hidden processes at play, secrets we're only beginning to glimpse. Imagine a candle suddenly exploding into a searchlight, an ordinary, gentle glow transformed in an instant into a blinding beacon that pierces the darkness. That's what NASA's telescopes witnessed at the heart of our galaxy, a sudden, spectacular eruption of energy from the darkness. The flare from Sagittarius A* was a cataclysmic burst, increasing X-ray output by hundreds of times in just hours, a cosmic event so intense it defied expectations. For a brief moment it outshone all the stars clustered in the galactic center, dominating the region with its brilliance. Previous flickers from Sagittarius A** were mere whispers compared to this. This was an inferno, a true cosmic outburst. The energy and speed of the event don't fit our models. Scientists were left puzzled, their predictions shattered by the sheer scale and rapidity of the flare. The flare rose and faded in mere hours, astonishing for a black hole this massive, where changes are usually slow and gradual. This rapid change means the source was incredibly compact, right at the edge of the event horizon, where gravity is at its most extreme. It challenges our theories about how matter behaves near black holes, forcing scientists to rethink what's possible in these cosmic furnaces. The event suggests there may be much larger, denser objects lurking near Sagittarius A*, hidden in the shadows waiting to be discovered. The sleeping giant at our galaxy's core is capable of moments of incredible fury, reminding us how much we still have to learn about the universe's most mysterious forces. What could possibly trigger such a dramatic cosmic outburst? The leading theory is that Sagittarius A** devoured a large object, maybe a star or a dense gas cloud drifting too close. Its immense gravity would tear the object apart, heating it to millions of degrees and producing the powerful X-ray burst we observed. But the extraordinary brightness and speed pushed the limits of this model. Some scientists consider even wilder ideas, a wormhole or perhaps a white hole, exotic concepts from the frontiers of theoretical physics. Still, the most likely answer involves the black hole's accretion of matter, possibly with tangled magnetic fields releasing colossal energy. Or maybe two dense objects collided violently near the event horizon. Whatever the cause, this flare has ignited new research, curiosity and debate. Even in our own galaxy, profound cosmic mysteries still remain. This single event has changed our perspective on the universe, opening our eyes to possibilities we never imagined before. It's a humbling reminder that our knowledge is just a small island in a vast ocean of mystery, and that the cosmos still holds countless secrets waiting to be discovered. The flare from Sagittarius A asterisk reignites human curiosity and inspires new questions, pushing scientists and dreamers alike to look deeper and wonder what else lies hidden in the darkness. What if black holes are more than cosmic drains? Could they be gateways to new realms, or engines driving the evolution of galaxies? What if the laws of physics break down in ways we can't predict, revealing phenomena that challenge everything we thought we knew? Every unexpected signal is a clue, leading us to deeper understanding, and every anomaly is a chance to rewrite the story of the universe. If our quiet black hole can erupt, what else is happening across the cosmos? What other surprises are waiting in the shadows of distant galaxies? We'll be watching Sagittarius A asterisk and others with renewed intensity, eager to catch the next extraordinary event as it unfolds. The universe is a story constantly unfolding, and we're part of it, witnesses and explorers on a journey with no end in sight. So keep looking up. The next cosmic revelation could be just a flash away, waiting for someone to notice and ask, what if?